Do you have moments when you are overthinking about the same thing? Daydreaming about your future? Or you are just going back in the past and thinking what you should have done and what you should not have done? I wish I did that differently. Are you wasting your time doing this? I have a very useful technique for you from the book Think Like a Monk. Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all guys are good. I read this book few months back but I couldn't make a video on it, so I decided to pick this technique from the book and make a video for you. It's a very useful technique, so let's start. In this book, Jay Shetty says how you can avoid your negative thoughts. He tells in his book how negativity grows. When you overthink aimlessly, which has no purpose, it takes up so much energy of yours, increases the frequency of your thoughts, and then you start feeling negative. You feel tired, depressed, low, jealous, and you start comparing yourself with others. That's how negativity grows. And there comes a times in your life where the more you think about getting rid of it, the more you stick to it. In his book, Jay Shetty introduced a very useful technique to avoid your negative thinking, to curb out your negative feelings. In this technique, you have to follow 3 steps. Spot, stop and swap means aware, address and amend. So let's see how this technique works. Your first step is spot. Spot is about becoming aware of the feelings and issues. In this first step, you need to recognize that these are the feelings you are overthinking about and it has no purpose. It's not adding any value, any growth in my life. You need to say out loud to yourself that yes, I am feeling this emotion, I am doing this, but now to improve my present condition, to improve my life, I need to stay away from this feeling. This is negative feeling and this is spoiling my life. This is not letting me improve. You have to say out loud to yourself that. Your second step is stop, means address. In this step, you need to take a pause and think from where this emotion, this feeling comes from. Generally, when you do nothing, your mind takes you in the past. As someone truly said, an empty and a negative mind is a devil's workshop. So it's time to indulge yourself in new things, shift your attention, because in third step you need to swap. In third step you need to swap means you need to amend your behavior. You need to swap in a new positive feeling and action that is beneficial for you. Like you can follow your hobbies. If you don't have any hobby, try getting a new hobby. Just do something to get yourself busy. You can read some books. Do something that makes you happy. Just follow your heart. So these are the 3 steps from this technique by Jay Shetty. You need to follow each step to eliminate negativity from your life and to improve your life. You know why I wanted to make this video? Because I was going through the same, and all this was due to negative thinking and a negative approach I had towards life. But I followed few things to curb out of negativity and started living my life in a much better way again. I indulge myself in a learning phase of life. Now every day is a learning for me. I don't let negativity come into my life. And yes, one more thing is, in the process, please don't criticize yourself. We all make mistakes. It makes us human. Always remember, there's nothing more important than how you think and how you feel about yourself. That's it about this video. I hope you will learn so much from this technique. If you found it useful, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.